The linkage between environment and economy. There is an indispensable linkage between economy and environment. We can also say that there lies an interdependence between the two. That is, one cannot survive without the other. So, one cannot be assessed without studying the cause and impact of the other. An economy depends upon environment for many things. Thus, if proper usage is not made of the environment, it is going to affect our economy as a whole. If we are not using our resources now properly, it is going to affect our future generation as well as our current generation. The linkage between economics and environment is not only concerned with financial matters, but also they are concerned with several unpriced services. In environmental economics, we study how an economic activity and policy affect the environment in which we are sustaining, and also in return, we try to study how environment helps us and supports the economic activities. It is a very important topic to understand the linkage that is there between environment and economy. So let's understand with the help of a figure. In the figure, there are two sectors, the producing sector or the firm sector and the consumption sector or the household sector. So these are the two sectors through which we are producing goods and services with the help of the factors. Now, the consumption sector or the household sector provides us with the factors of production in return for the goods and services which is given by our production sector. Now, the whole box uh, eh, can be understood as the environment. Now, the first linkage between economy and environment can be understood from the first box, that is E1, stock of natural resources, or it provides us with life support services. Um, So, the first one is that stock of natural resources. Environment is the stock of natural resources, and the stock is for us to use. Thus, the first linkage is through the providing of unlimited natural resources. Now, natural resources can be of two types: exhaustible and inexhaustible. Exhaustible resources are those resources if we use beyond a certain point is going to exhaust itself. On the other hand, inexhaustible resources are those which cannot be exhausted even with a very high use. Number 2, E2, that is waste sink function. The environment also acts as a waste sink function for us, that is in the form it is taking up all the waste materials that we are producing through our consumption activities. So therefore we see that the arrow is starting from consumption and going to the E2, that is whatever waste we are producing from the household sector, it is being absorbed by the environment. E3, direct environmental services, or in other words the life support services. Environment provides a biological, chemical and physical system which makes possible for human beings to live in the environment. The environment system provides us with air, atmosphere, rivers, fertility of soil, biodiversity, etc., through which the normal life support depends. Without this, we cannot survive. Thus, we can say that in E3, the environment provides us with essential activities which is necessary for our life support. So, in this way, the environment provides us with the various activities, and in this way we can link environment to ourselves, or this is the linkage between an economy and an environment.